A 110-volt outlet for a gas dryer is not allowed to have other outlets on its circuit. It is required to be on a dedicated circuit. A dedicated circuit means it is the only outlet on that circuit and is not shared with any other appliances or devices. This requirement exists because a gas dryer can draw a significant amount of power. If it is on a shared circuit with other devices, it could overload the circuit and cause a fire. The National Electrical Code specifically prohibits the use of extension cords or adapters to connect a gas dryer to an existing outlet. The NEC also requires that the outlet for a gas dryer be located in the laundry room and be within reach of the dryer's power cord. If installation is needed in a location without a dedicated 110-volt outlet, an electrician should install one. Let's delve into the specifics. The purpose of a dedicated circuit is to ensure that the appliance receives a stable and reliable power supply. Gas dryers, while primarily using gas for heating, still require electricity for their control systems, motors, and sometimes internal lights. This electrical load, though smaller than that of an electric dryer, is still significant enough to warrant a dedicated circuit. Overloading a circuit can have serious consequences, including overheating wires, tripping circuit breakers, and in severe cases, electrical fires. By having a dedicated circuit, the risk of these issues is significantly reduced. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a set of standards and guidelines for safe electrical installation. It is widely adopted in the United States and serves as a benchmark for electrical safety. The NEC requirements for gas dryer outlets are in place to protect both the appliance and the occupants of the building. The prohibition of extension cords and adapters is another crucial safety measure. Extension cords are often not rated for the same amperage as the wall outlet and can easily overheat if overloaded. Adapters can also create loose connections, which can lead to arcing and fires. The requirement for the outlet to be located in the laundry room and within reach of the dryer's power cord is for convenience and safety. It ensures that the dryer can be easily connected without the need for extension cords or other unsafe practices. When installing a gas dryer, it is essential to follow all applicable codes and regulations. This includes obtaining the necessary permits and inspections. A qualified electrician will be able to ensure that the installation is done safely and correctly. If there is an existing outlet that is not a dedicated circuit, it cannot be used for the gas dryer. A new circuit must be installed from the electrical panel to the location of the dryer. The new circuit must be properly sized for the electrical load of the dryer, and it must be protected by a circuit breaker of the appropriate amperage. It is also important to use the correct type of wiring for the circuit. The wiring must be rated for the amperage of the circuit and must be installed in accordance with the NEC. In addition to the electrical requirements, there are also gas piping requirements that must be followed when installing a gas dryer. The gas piping must be properly sized for the gas consumption of the dryer, and it must be installed in accordance with the local gas codes. A qualified plumber or gas fitter should install the gas piping. The gas piping must be tested for leaks before the dryer is put into operation. Safety should always be the top priority when working with electricity and gas. If there are any doubts about the abilities or qualifications, it is best to hire a qualified professional to do the work. Attempting to do electrical or gas work without the proper training and experience can be dangerous and can lead to serious injury or death. In summary, to reiterate, the electrical outlet for a gas dryer must be on a dedicated 110-volt circuit. It should not share the circuit with other appliances or devices. This is a crucial safety measure to prevent circuit overloads and potential fires. The NEC mandates this requirement along with prohibiting the use of extension cords and adapters. The outlet must be located in the laundry room and within reach of the dryer's power cord. If a dedicated circuit does not exist, a qualified electrician must install one, ensuring it is properly sized and protected with an appropriate circuit breaker. Additionally, gas piping should be installed by a qualified plumber or gas fitter, adhering to local gas codes and tested for leaks. Prioritizing safety and following these guidelines are essential for a secure and compliant gas dryer installation.